Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how can you scan a PDF on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to scan a PDF, first of all, just go to your notes. Now you can just go to any notes or you can just create new one. So to create new one, click the bottom this last icon. Now after that, just tap here to right here, and here you can see there is a plus icon beside your keyboard. Just click on this plus icon, and after that here you can see there is a camera icon. Just click on this camera icon, and after clicking on this camera icon, just click on this second option, scan documents. Now after clicking on this second icon, here you can see you can just scan any documents by here. It will automatically scan the document or PDF. You can just save it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.